Good day. This presentation is based on the webinar Manawag Come to Those Who Are Called, which highlights community development and organizing in the parish and BEC context. The main concept of community development observed are participation and collective action. In the parish and BEC setting, members are encouraged to take part in activities and decision-making processes. These concepts are applied through parish programs and BEC gatherings where members work together to address community concerns. An example of this is the involvement of BEC members in outreach and service activities, showing shared responsibility within the community. Important values for a community development worker includes respect, compassion, commitment, and integrity. These values are applied during community fieldwork by listening to community members, respecting their experiences, and serving with sincerity and responsibility. The parish and BECs enable participation by allowing members to share ideas, volunteer, and take on roles in activities. Communities Community members are empowered when they are trusted with responsibility and encouraged to be part of solutions to community issues. Community organizing is important because it helps identify real needs and ensures that the parish activities are coordinated and effective. Without proper organizing, efforts may become unstructured, participation may decrease, and community problems may not be addressed properly. One major social issues faced by the parish community is poverty and limited access to basic needs. The parish and BECs respond through outreach programs and community support initiatives to support positive change, stronger coordination, continuous participation, and sustained community involvement are recommended. Overall, the parish and BEC activities shows how faith-based community organizing plays an important role in addressing real social concerns. Through participation, shared responsibility, and service, the parish becomes more than just a place of worship. It becomes a space where people support one another. These efforts help strengthen relationships within the community and encourage members to take an active role in helping others. This shows that when community development is guided by compassion, respect, and coordination, it can lead to positive and lasting change.